Are you looking for the as outdoor adventures grow in popularity? Campers are becoming more selective about gear that enhances comfort, and camping pillows are no exception. The best camping pillows blend portability, support, and durability, providing restful sleep in the wilderness. Whether you're a backpacker, car camper, or festival goer, this guide evaluates the best camping pillows based on materials, support type, inflatable, foam, compressibility. List number: Climate Drift Camping Pillow. Shredded memory foam travel pillow with reversible cover. The Climate Drift Camping Pillow is a standout choice for campers who want both comfort and durability. Filled with soft shredded memory foam, this pillow adapts well to your head and neck for optimal support. One of its key features is a reversible cover, durable polyester on one side and soft jersey cotton on the other, offering versatility for different climates. It packs down into a compact size, making it easy to carry in a backpack. Whether you're car camping or on a multi-day trek, this pillow provides home-like comfort outdoors. Plus, the machine washable cover is a big win for hygiene-conscious campers. While it's a bit bulkier than ultralight inflatable models, the comfort trade-off is well worth it. List number: Hinter Camping Pillow with removable cover. Ultralight inflatable pillow for neck and lumbar support. The Hinter Ultralight inflatable pillow strikes the perfect balance between weight and ergonomic support. Weighing just a few ounces, it's tailor-made for ultralight backpackers. The ergonomic design supports both neck and lumbar areas, reducing strain after long hikes. It inflates quickly in a few breaths and includes a removable, washable cover, something rarely found in inflatable models. The non-slip base keeps it in place through the night, even for restless sleepers. It compresses to palm size and fits easily into any pack. While it won't mimic the plush feel of foam, it excels in portability and adjustability. Great for minimalist adventurers who don't want to compromise on sleep. List 3. Thermarest Compressible Cinch Camping and Backpacking Pillow. Fun Guy Print. The Thermarest Compressible Cinch Pillow brings personality and comfort to the campsite. Featuring a fun guy mushroom print, it's as stylish as it is functional. Inside, it's filled with upcycled foam, a sustainable and surprisingly supportive option. The cinch cord lets you customize firmness, a rare feature in non-inflatable pillows. It expands from a compact stuff sack into a full-size pillow with a soft, brushed polyester exterior. Ideal for car camping, hammocking, or travel, it's lightweight but not ultralight. It may not compress as tightly as air pillows, but the cozy feel and adjustability make up for it. List number: Small Shredded Memory Foam Pillow, Camping Pillow Travel Pillow. Compressible medium firm. This small shredded memory foam camping pillow offers a solid middle ground for campers who crave both packability and support. With medium firm memory foam filling, it molds to your neck and shoulders without collapsing under pressure. It's highly compressible, easily rolling into a compact size for backpacking. The breathable cover is soft, washable, and designed to keep moisture at bay. This pillow is great for side sleepers or anyone needing a bit more structure in their sleep gear. Though it's a little heavier than inflatable options, the comfort level is closer to your home pillow, making it worth the added weight for many. List number 5. Teton Sports Camp Pillow, Washable, 12 by 18 inches, black. The Teton Sports Camp Pillow is an affordable, no-fuss option for campers of all levels. It features a soft brushed flannel cover and a plush filling that offers more support than basic travel pillows. At just 9.6 ounces and measuring 12 by 18 inches, it fits snugly in a sleeping bag or backpack. The entire pillow is machine washable, a rare benefit at this price point. While it doesn't compress as small as some inflatable or foam models, its simple design, comfort, and durability make it a favorite among budget-conscious campers and road trippers. A great value pick.